Alright, so here's my Tevas. I've had these for about 2 months now. Wearing them almost every day. I'm sorry, they're probably, you can tell. But I wear them. Walking them a lot. Done a couple little trails with them. Holding up well. Doing good. This is not my first pair of this style of Teva Hurricanes. I had another pair. I wore them for almost 3 years before if I can get it to focus. It started to come apart right here, where this footpad meets the sole. This began to come apart. But it took about 3 years of really heavy use before that happened. And so, you know, for $55, $75, it's hard to complain. Super comfy, great to walk in. The only thing I'll say about this colorway is this particular color right here stains really easy. And so, you know, any kind of dirt or drink or whatever that gets spilled on this is going to stain it. And I have been successful. I usually just take a little Tide to Go pen and scrub it off of there, and it comes right out. So not really not a super big deal, but just something to know.
It's like 25-minute drive.
Okay, let's go.